The regular hug command on Twitch is kind of boring. Let me show you something better using streamerbot. The normal hug command that usually people have is stream elements, and when you type in hug, exclamation point hug, it usually gives a generic answer like this user gives a hug to the other user, right? And you know, if you type the hug command again, it gives the same response. Now what we want is a randomized response like this. If I type in hug, for example, stream elements, then it'll say, okay, hug stream elements. And if I said hug test, it'll say, I give a hug to test, and then hug random, give a hug to random, and hug hello, for example, give a hug, give hello a warm embrace. So that's kind of what we want. On streamerbot, right click and add a new action, and I'll name it hug command, and make sure the random action button is ticked. Right click, add action, and it will be Twitch send message to channel. If you have a bot account, you can use a bot account. I'll help you set it up in streamerbot in a bit, but since I don't, I'll just use the broadcaster account, and it'll send user percent hugged percent raw input percent, so just like that. And make sure to you can duplicate that as many as you want. So let's duplicate it, and let's say user gave a big hug to raw input, and then again we could say user gave user embraced raw input. And let's do one more for good measure, I guess. Let's do user gave raw input a warm embrace, right? Like, you can duplicate this message as many as you want. Okay, in the settings, if you have a bot account, make sure you get settings, Twitch accounts, and if you have a bot account, you can use it to connect to Twitch, and instead of the broadcaster sending the message in chat, it'll be your bot account. So that's kind of a cool feature on streamerbot. To have the command actually work in chat, go to the command section and right click and add a new command and type in exclamation point hug, and on the action make sure you have it as hug command and click OK. And that's it. Now your hug command won't be as boring as it was before. You can also do this with a lurk command. It works the same way, but yeah, it's really super it's super simple. Okay, bye. I'm wearing the colors. Dude, you know what's awesome? What's great? Why is this clip still playing? Look at this. It's a hockey shirt.